Today we're making a solid mashed potatoes recipe. That's kind of stupid. I mean, if you think about it, mashed potatoes are like the Scottie Pippen of basketball, or the Samantha in Sex and the City, or Brad Pitt in Fight Club. It's like the best second thing you can ever get. It's the appetizer. So let's make it.
Well, if you live in the US of A, I suggest a less waxy Yukon Gold. If you live in Germany, you just pick up a bag of the mehlig kochend or the blue bag, because yes, Germans sort their potatoes in color-coded bags. That organization stereotype you heard, that is actually true. So 1 kilo or 2.2 pounds of potatoes, peel and cut into equally sized pieces so that they can evenly cook. Cover them with cold water. Add a generous amount of salt and bring it to a boil. Now reduce the heat to medium-low and cook for 20 to 30 minutes depending on how big you cut the cubes. On the side, take 6 cloves of garlic, peel and bruise them with a big knife. And then in a saucepan, add in 400 ml or 13.5 fluid ounces of heavy cream. Throw in all the garlic, 3 leaves of sage, 2 rosemary twigs, fresh cracked salt and pepper. Mix it all up, bring it to a simmer, and then lower the heat and cook for another 8 minutes. Now it's time to check on our potatoes. They are ready when it's easy to crush them with a fork. To break down the potatoes, we're going to use this massive ricer that is technically a Spätzler maker. I highly recommend using it, but if you don't have one, you can also use a sieve or a potato masher. Filter the cream through a sieve and straight into the potatoes. Add in a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of pepper. And then mix and mix. And then add in 30 grams or 1 ounce of unsalted room temperature butter. Keep mixing. And then mix and mix until you get a fluffy, creamy texture. And then taste and add salt if you need to. I got the fluffy, but not 100% the creamy texture here. Finally, chop some chive. And I'm gonna use these pink peppers, which are very mild peppers with a very light flavor. The name of the brand is a plus. Crush your peppers and set them aside. Serve your mash. And garnish with the chive and the pink peppers. And enjoy.
Alright, let's give this a try. I need to go for one more. I like the flavor. I like the peppers, the chives. I think it's slightly clumpy, and I think I didn't mix it with the cream fast enough. But again, I have cameras and lights and stuff to worry about. But if you're home, you're gonna have to like really keep stirring and keep mixing until like it really breaks down completely with the cream. But other than that, it's really good. I hope I can share it with you, but I can't. Yeah. Well, that was it for me today. I hope you're gonna make this at home. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. If you like the video, you know what to do. I'll leave all the ingredients right below the video, and I'll see you next time.